Lens pouches are a necessary tool for a lot of photographers, but it seems like they really haven't changed in years. They're basically foam canisters with little or no versatility. We thought they could be different.
Range Pouch is an intelligent, weatherproof lens carrier available in 3 sizes. Expandable construction and adjustable Velcro attachment let you tailor the size of the Range Pouch to rigidly hold your lens. No more loose and rattling carry, and no more struggling to get your lenses in and out. Plus, Range Pouches lay flat when not in use, unlike bulky foam carriers.
These pouches are just as versatile as the rest of our products. How you carry them, what fits inside them, and how you use them is completely up to you.
Belt attachment works with pro or standard belts. Steel eyelets accommodate Peak Design anchor links and straps. The felt interior protects lenses and divides the main compartment, allowing safe carry for 1, 2, or 3 items. Interior pockets are perfect for quickly stashing filters, caps, and other small items. Thoughtful design and uncompromising construction give the utility you need and the aesthetic you want. Range Pouch by Peak Design.